Hey guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up, and I'm Caitlin, and today I'm gonna make a Chicago-style Italian beef panini. I love Chicago-style Italian beef sandwiches. My favorite's from Portillo's. Not an ad, just saying. It ships nationwide, and I get it shipped to my house all the way here in New Jersey all the time. I love that sandwich. I've tried a few others. They are all great. It's just such delicious flavor and so yummy. That's what inspired me to make my own kind of style Italian beef sandwich at home and make it into a panini. So let's get started. We have two rolls here that we're gonna get some nice fresh rolls and slice them. If you can leave open the back, that would be even better. So since we're not making our own beef and we don't have our own au jus or gravy, you're going to want to look for something that mimics that in the store. If you spend some time in your sauce aisle, I promise you'll find something. I actually found kind of like a jarred au jus type thing at Wegmans, but just kind of explore what you have in like your marinades and stuff, and anything that's kind of like garlicky and yummy and has like a beef undertone would work. So just spread that out on both sides of your rolls. And then we're going to start piling on our other ingredients. You're then going to take 2 thin slices of provolone and put it right there in the center of your roll. After that, you're going to do some nice beef. I have actually a Wegmans sliced Wagyu beef here, and we're just going to put that in. Any sliced beef will do, and just make sure kind of nice and fluffy in the sandwiches. After that, you're going to get your panini maker ready and get my favorite ingredient, the giardiniera. I actually have never had this on a beef sandwich until I started ordering from Portillo's, so this was the fun part for me because I love this stuff. So you're going to just do a nice, healthy amount of giardiniera right over top and then get it on the panini maker. You're then going to want to press it down and close this bad boy up as best as you can and get it ready for your panini maker. I'm going to shove that little piece back in there. Then just press it down in your panini maker until it's done. And after it's done on your panini maker, this Chicago-inspired Italian beef panini is ready to be dug in. I don't know if you could see, but it looks absolutely delicious. The cheese is all melty, and I can't wait. I'm taking a bite. So good. You guys are going to love it. So much flavor, all melted together. Perfect. Oh, so delicious. I'm telling you guys, this is a good one. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one every week. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.